Namaste and hello friends, welcome to New Indian Food Caterings 149th 150th episode of traditional Indian cooking. You can subscribe on YouTube at Choreography Pia for questions on how to cook these recipes. Traditionally I do boil the chicken, but here I'm sauteing it in some Indian spices with some cumin seeds. So in a wok which I've heated on medium-high heat, I've added like 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now if you want it real rich for your guests, you can add about a tablespoon of butter. And now I'm going to add in this the other ingredients as the pan gets heated. Now you can make this however way you feel like, but I'm adding some cumin seeds and just for a little bit of heat some black peppercorns. I'm also going to add in this a pound of chicken that I have sliced very thin. I'm going to add in this some other ingredients as well. About 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. You can add garlic paste, but right now I'm adding a teaspoon of garlic. And 1 tablespoon I will add of ginger garlic paste. A teaspoon of cumin powder. A teaspoon of coriander powder, and saute these on medium-high heat. Since I'm only going to serve 1 or 2 people, this amount would be enough. I'm going to add in this one tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of, for this much of chicken. Wow, that looks awesome. Look at that. And on high flame I'm going to saute this. On medium-high heat. That already looks so yummy. I'm sure your family will appreciate it when you cook a meal for them at the end of the day. And I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Delhi Mirch or Kashmiri red chili. Just if you add little bit of water to the chili powder, automatically you will see that it will enhance the color of your dish. So to a pound of chicken we had added like a teaspoon of salt, and also you can cut the chicken pieces in small. 1/4 of a turmeric, And so there was salt in it, tomato, turmeric, and also at the end you are going to garnish it with coriander leaves. But in case you don't have coriander leaves on hand, and that can happen, sometimes there's no time to run into the grocery, so we cover this for a lid and cook it for about 2 minutes on low heat. Wow, look at this awesome dish. This is like mind-blowing, and if guests come, you can always add some heavy cream at the end. Also, I am going to, as it is on high heat, I'm keeping on going on adding a little bit of the mixture that I had. Now, as this is cooking, traditionally in India, we wet our onions and the taste comes out of it. And my mother used to take the onions and just sprinkle it on the top. And that's the technique I'm going to apply today. As much onions as you add, you're going to find that the chicken pieces you can saute them on medium-high heat, and the taste will come out from the onions as it cooks through. And then when you cover it with a lid, the technique is that the onions cook very fast in about 2 minutes. So let us give it 2 minutes time, and you can reduce the heat on medium. So after 5 minutes, I put in a cup of water. 1 cup of water was added in this, and now I'm going to put, you have fresh coriander, you can put fresh coriander, but I'm just putting like half a teaspoon of, or just a sprinkle of mint leaves, and 1 teaspoon of